Vegan phobia is real. Classical liberalism. I disapprove of what you say, but I will defend to the death your right to say it. Progressivism. I disapprove of what you say, and I will publicly shame you, lobby to have you censored, and demand you be fired from your job. Vegan phobia is real. One of the 60-second clips in this video was just banned for violent and graphic content over on my TikTok account. See if you can guess which one. There's actually zero violence in this entire video, but that just goes to show you that vegan phobia is a real danger to free speech. The meat, dairy, and egg industries try very hard to ban any vegan content they can get to because they don't want any animal defenders existing on social media at all. They are terrified that you will learn the truth about how they treat the animals. I've appealed the decision and I'm waiting to see the results, but this is not the first time that this has happened to me. It has happened many, many times, and everybody should be worried when free speech is banned. Whether you agree or disagree with someone's message, on their own accounts, they should be able to say whatever it is they want.
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk, don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how.
Good morning! This is Bella Vegan Dog, and she's going to get a little piece of apple. That is not what she eats all day, by the way. It is a snack that she has. Do you see somebody go by and you bark at them? Yeah, it's neighborhood kids. So Bella gets little treats of apple and broccoli and things like that, like any other dog would. Other than that, she eats healthy vegan food, which we buy from different companies that make vegan food. So you just got to make sure that it's healthy and has all the proper nutrients like protein, vitamins, minerals, and dogs need taurine, but it does not have to come from an animal. Right, Bella? There's another piece for you. So if you have a dog, I encourage you to Google vegan dog food so that your dog doesn't have to eat dead animals. You don't have to pay for murder. Why pay for murder if you don't have to, right?
Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door.
Hello everyone, welcome to class. Today we're not going to be doing anything stressful, don't worry. It's a beautiful Saturday morning and we're going to be going to a dog park where Bella's going to meet a bunch of her friends. She's going to play in the water, and we're also going to be having some different vegan treats like some watermelon and some vegan ice cream, which is made just out of bananas and different fruit on top and some walnuts. Like, it's super easy. I'll show you how to make it. Anyway, so stay tuned, come and join us, and feel free to write whatever you want in the comments. And especially if you're vegan, help to teach vegan facts here on this channel. That really helps a lot because so many people are uneducated. They really make so many mistakes and spread so many lies. So the more help we can get with teaching the facts, the better. Thanks a lot. Let's go. For those of you who are concerned about Bella, you don't need to worry. Her blood work is fine, her pee is fine, her poo is fine, and she's just the same as any other dog. She runs with her tail up, she has a great time, she loves toys. No need to worry. Hello there. So this is to the person who said, Miss Katie, if you would stop forcing people to be vegan, people wouldn't hate you as much. So I want to invite you to think about that and think about whether I care whether you hate me or not. Like, my goal here is to simply get your attention so that I can give you the message about the animals. I mean, it's normal that you're going to be pushing back on my message because the message basically says that you are not being a kind person because you're hurting the animals every time you eat them, wear them, use them. So my message is really this. This is the main message today. It says don'twatch.org. It doesn't say don'twatch.com. It says don'twatch.org. And yeah, it's made just with a piece of cardboard. I put a hole in it and a little string on there. And the purpose of that is to remind you throughout this video to keep checking it. Not .com, .org. That's right. So, I mean, do I like the fact that people don't like me? Not especially, but my love for fairness and for truth trumps that. It's more important to me that you know what's going on, and then you can make good decisions going forward about what you're going to eat, wear, and use. And the only way for you to really find out is to watch this little video or any other similar videos. Now, this one is only about 6 or 7 minutes long, so that's why I'm kind of focusing on that one today. But of course, there are many, many others. Now, I know the vast majority of you will not watch it because you're afraid of what you're going to see. You're going to be afraid that you're going to have to change after you see what's going on. But you should not be drinking cow's milk. You should not be eating any eggs. And you should not be stealing anything at all from animals. Animals are here on the planet with us and not for us. So once you get that into your head, being vegan is easy. And then you can start to look beyond that at different vegan recipes and so on. But first, you got to understand why you got to watch this. Because if you don't watch it, you'll be living in some sort of fairy tale land. You'll remain a child your whole life. And you're ready to learn the truth. If you're ready to eat the animals, the corpses that have been tortured and who suffered terribly for their entire lives, if you're ready to eat them, then you're ready to know the truth. And that is one way to find out. This is undercover footage from countries around the world, so don't say, oh, my country isn't like that, because you will see this is undercover footage, and all of these practices are considered legal, all of this terrible torture. So I encourage you once more to watch don'twatch.org, and then come back and tell me what you saw. All right? Thank you very much.
You gotta be brave, be vegan, you know what your duty to do. Be brave, be vegan, the animals depend on you. To come to the rescue, you gotta be brave, be vegan. Even if 99% of the world makes fun of you, 'cause you're on the right side of history, and it's no mystery, it's the right thing to do. You gotta be brave, be vegan, you know what your duty to do. Be vegan, the animals depend on you. To come to the rescue, you gotta be brave, be vegan. Even if 99% of the world makes fun of you, 'cause you're on the right side of history, and it's no mystery, it's the right thing to do. Yeehaw! Be brave, be vegan.
Let's just take a moment to duet another vegan over here on TikTok that caught my attention.
I just want to say, vegans, dude, I love you guys like so much. You guys are like, there's no words to describe my genuine love for you. I don't even personally like know most of you, but I don't have to know that I sincerely love you. Like, I don't know what I would do without you guys. Seriously, like, and I mean this. I just love you guys. You're just beautiful human beings. I love you.
So, to those of you who are brave enough to watch the short documentary, don'twatch.org, I encourage you to, in the comments below, write down all of the different animals that you see. Do you see pigs there? Do you see cows there? Do you see sheep, goats? What animals do you see? List them all and tell us what you see humans doing to them. around the world and how horrific it is. And if you have a heart and you think that you should be vegan after seeing that, let me know that too. To those of you who think it's funny to hurt animals, I'm not interested in your comments. I won't even take you seriously. But here's the documentary again. It's called don'twatch.org. Not .com, but .org. Don'twatch.org. So, did you catch it? This is what they said was animal abuse. Bella rolling around in the grass, drying herself off. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that insane? This is what the world has come to. Can you imagine if your account was banned just because you took a video of your dog having the greatest time of her life, rubbing herself on the grass after she got out of the water? Everyone should be horrified about what's going on right now in social media. It is very scary because even though you think your views might be okay, somebody else might think they're not. And banning is wrong. It is not the right solution. At this point, hundreds, if not thousands, maybe more, of vegan accounts are being banned over on TikTok. And their videos, even here on YouTube, are being banned. We are here trying to defend the most innocent animals among us, those who have never done a single thing wrong ever. The chickens, cows, pigs, turkeys, and lambs. And when they ban our accounts, they put all animals in jeopardy. Those of you who eat animals might think it's funny now. But wait. Just wait until your own accounts are banned for no good reason. Then you'll understand why it's so important that we band together and protest this kind of censorship. If you're vegan and watching this, the important thing is that you never give up. Open new accounts. Never stop fighting for the animals. Anyway, I'm going to get on with the video of the day, but please keep that in mind and go and check out my TikTok account if you want. It's called its.that.veganteacher.
Bet you can't tell which dog is vegan. Bet you can't tell. Bet you can't tell which dog is vegan. Bet you can't tell.
Well, it's snack time, and I have watermelon. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? I'm so lucky I have a mother-in-law who cut this all up for me. And I seem to have a dog who is staring at me right now. You want some? Yeah? Okay, hold on. Let me flip this around. All right, so Bella likes watermelon a lot. In fact, she even eats the green parts, which is totally fine, by the way. Here you go, Bella. Such a cutie. So vegan dogs can eat all kinds of fruits and vegetables, but remember, you got to get a good dog food that has taurine in it. So don't just feed your dog only fruits and vegetables. You got to make sure that you get a vet-approved vegan dog food. What about you guys? What are you eating this summer? Don't tell me about all the meat you're eating. Tell me about the veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds.
And speciesism, and speciesism, and speciesism, be kind to the animals. And vegan phobia, and vegan phobia, and vegan phobia, be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah! Go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
So that was kind of our day today. Thank you so much for being here. I just want to say a special thank you to two girls who showed up at my house. They are in grade 8 and they brought their dog Finley to play with Bella, and that was really nice. And they were super polite and they were interested in veganism. So I just want to say I really appreciated your visit. Thank you so much for being nice and for being open to the ideas. I know it's a lot to take in to find out about the meat industry and the dairy industry and the egg industry, and I hate to be the one to bring the bad news, but anyway, I'm really glad that you guys came, and hopefully I'll see you again this summer and you'll have some news for me about how you're becoming vegan. I hope. Fingers crossed. Bye everyone. See you in the next video. Oh, coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them. Be curious, have a look at my channel. There's over 1,500 videos. And over on TikTok, my address is It's That Vegan Teacher with dots in between. have a look over there as well. See you soon. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on